Out here in the middle of the woods, if you listen closely, you can hear the breeze coming through. We just kind of cut some trails through here, opened it up, but the trees are breathing again because all these vines, look at those vines, suffocating these trees. That's the beauty of land clearing. You get to save some trees. Also, you got to take down the underbrush. Clean it out. All this vegetation will regrow. Give it a couple months, it'll be back to normal. All it is basically mowing on steroids. Give us a call, 813-597-6499. Thank you.